Today I'll be using artist marker on colored cardstock to make my card. Stay tuned. Hi there everyone, welcome to Creative Coloring with Erum. I'm Erum Tasneem, and today my project features the newly released Build-A-Flower Bellaroma Hybrid Tea Rose stem set. So this is the stem set that I'll be using today. This is a layering stem set, but I am not going to be using all the layers today. I'm just going to be using the outline stems. I'm going to prep my stem with a stamp conditioning eraser. Since this is a brand new stem, and you can absolutely see the shine on those stems right now. The leftover residue is very easy to remove. You just need a white flat paintbrush to do that. I'm going to heat emboss the images on a teal color cardstock in antique gold embossing powder. Then I will heat set these. And it looks beautiful right now, even as is, but I am going to use artist marker to add just a little bit of a depth and shadow to these images, and it does make a lot of difference. I will start with a dusk artist marker. This is from the Cool Summer Nights artist marker set. I will apply dusk into the nooks and crannies and the end of the petal. Then I will blend it out with ocean waves. And you can just stop here if you want to. But I will go ahead and add a third color, which I absolutely did not need. But maybe if I would have waited, the alcohol markers would have absorbed a bit into the cardstock. But at that moment, the line was very stark between the cardstock and the alcohol marker. So I used the lightest shade, that is sea glass, just to blend everything. And then everything just blended too wonderfully. So I went back in to add the darker colors, that is dusk and ocean waves. But for the leaves, I started by adding Desert Night, and it looks so beautiful. It is more prominent. So I went back in and added a bit of Desert Night. And of course, again, I had to use ocean waves and dusk over this. Obviously, first dusk and then ocean waves, because dusk is darker than ocean waves. And then blend everything with sea glass. Again, it looks like I do not need sea glass, but in person, when I was looking at it, I definitely needed sea glass. If you are going for that look with the very prominent shadow look, then definitely you do not need the lightest marker, since this is a colored cardstock. So here on the Altenew mat, I have arranged my images, which I have die cut using the coordinating dies, and I have this navy cardstock by Altenew. And I'm so sorry, I lost a bit of footage where I just heat embossed the leaves a couple of times, and you can still see the watermark there. So I have not masked anything. I just put the images on the cardstock just to see where the leaves would go, and eyeballed it. It's really easy. And now I'm going to use metallic watercolors, the 14 pan set, and add gold splatters. I will try to keep it more onto the left hand side where the stamping is, and I'm going to adhere the images with foam tape, and then I will just add a few more gold splatters on the images mainly, so that there's a uniform look and they do not look as solid as they're looking right now. To finish, I'm just going to adhere my sentiment, which is heat embossed in antique gold on black cardstock. You can also do this on navy cardstock, but I chose to go with black. And that's it. I just popped some satin gold sequins and my card is ready. This is a very quick card. I hope you liked it. And if you do try coloring on colored cardstock, please do tag Altenew at Altenew LLC or me at Glitter and Swirls. Do stop by the blog as there are many prizes for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye!